Morning, students of class 1. We have come back to our science class. I am starting the revision of chapter 2, Roti and Naughty. Roti and Naughty are two rats. They are very friendly. Roti was thin and small. Naughty was big and strong. Naughty always laughed at Roti. You are so thin and weak. What will you do if a cat runs after you? One day, Naughty found a piece of cheese. Both Naughty and Roti loved cheese. But Naughty wanted to show how strong he was. Before Roti could open her mouth, Naughty gobbled up the cheese. But the cheese was too big for one bite. So it got stuck in his throat. It got stuck in Naughty's throat. Naughty coughed and coughed till his face was red. And what did Roti do then? Roti ran to him and hit heavily on his back. The cheese fell out. Naughty was safe. Thank you, said Naughty. From that day, Naughty did not make fun of Roti. Yes, Naughty stopped making fun with Roti from that day. Whenever Tabby the cat, chased them, Naughty held Roti's hand and both ran away to a safe hole. What do we learn from this chapter? Not all of us are same or look the same. Some may be thin, some may be fat, some may tall, some may short, some may fair, some may dark. But something good about them, each of us. There is something good about each of us. We must respect others and accept them as they are. We do not make fun with them. Come to page 11. Here also you have something to learn. You have to understand what good things about each animal in the picture. There is a beautiful forest. It was full of trees and animals and birds. The birds could fly, deer could run fast, the owl could see well in the dark. They are so different, but each of them was lovely and they were friends. All animals are different from each other. All are not same. Some are very beautiful, some are very fast, some are very intelligent. But they were good. You have to find them out. We are all wonderful. Yes, if we are different, but we are all wonderful. All of us are not same, so do not look the same. There is something good about everyone. We must not laugh at or make fun of others. Thumb means hit heavily, gobble means eat fast. Who was thin and small? Roti was thin and small. What did Naughty find? Naughty found a piece of cheese. Why did cheese get stuck in Naughty's throat? The cheese was too big for one bite, so it got stuck in Naughty's throat when he tried to gobble it up. Who saved Naughty and how? Roti saved Naughty. Roti thumped Naughty on the back and the cheese fell out. Put a tick to show respect and cross not to show respect. Helping old lady to cross the road, put a tick. Greeting an elderly person, put a tick. Showing tongue is bad manner, put a cross. Fighting with friends or brother, put a cross. Showing love and respect to your teacher, put a tick. Color the picture. We must show respect nature by planting more trees, not littering out neighborhood. Be kind to animals by reusing and recycling things. So I've already sent the question answers to you in beforehand. So try to revise the question answer, and question number 8 you have to color the pictures. So you must do it. I think all of you have done this. Page 14. I've given you as a homework. Yes. So thank you for today.